Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I got a special request from one of my subscribers named Lucas Andreezy. Now check this out. He hit me up the other day and said, should he buy the Airpods or the fake Airpods? I hit him up and I asked him, does he want to see a dedicated video? He said yes. So Lucas, this is for you. Real versus fake. The Airpods versus the i10 TWS. Now with the Airpods, you're looking at $160. With the i10 TWS, you're looking at around $40. Let's go through the main features of each. Now with the Airpods, you get the W1 chip. You got 5 hours worth of battery on a single charge. And with the charging case, you got an additional 24 hours. Now you also got fast charge. So 15 minutes of charge is going to give you 3 hours worth of playtime. And you got your auto connect to your iOS devices. Now with the i10 TWS, you get 4 hours worth of battery life and an additional 10 hours with the charging case. It is USB Type-C. You got wireless charging, and it works on Android and iOS devices. All right, so let's check these out. First, presentation. Here's your Airpods presentation. Beautiful. Here's your i10's presentation. Meh. MEH. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got on deck? I got the Tiger Tooth. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Let's open these up. Now, for $160, they better have some plastic. Why not? Okay. Typical Apple presentation. Let's open these up. Okay, inside. Got your usual books and shit. Let's see, do we got any Apple Troll stickers? No Apple Troll stickers on these. Here's what it is. Let's see, anything else in here? Here's your charging cable. Lightning adapter. And here's your Airpods. Now, y'all know, if y'all watch my videos, you know I hate these. I hate Airpods. But my daughter keeps losing them, so I got to keep buying them. So I'm giving these straight to my daughter. All right, so this is your presentation. Pretty good. Now, presentation on the i10s. No plastic, $40. It is what it is. Open these up. Okay, got your usual books and shit. Follows. These are the headphones. Earphones, earbuds, whatever, and USB Type-C charging cable. Now, look-wise, they do look similar. Okay, 4 LEDs on the front, USB Type-C, but unlike the Airpods, these actually feature wireless charge. Now, on a side note, before you start hating, all right, check this out. If you got Airpods, you need to get one of these. Now, basically, I'll show you what this is. One more. All right, Lucas, if you're going to get Airpods, get one of these. This is a wireless charging case. So you're going to put your Airpods right in here, and then you can use wireless charge. Now, I'll show you how that looks at the end of this video, and I'll drop a link for that up in the description. I believe that's $15. Okay, so case versus case. You can see for yourself, very identical. But you see the 4 LEDs on the front, on the bottom, Lightning and USB Type-C. On the back, on the side, pretty similar. Now, let me see. At first glance, let's see if you could easily notice which one is which. The only way that gives it away is those 4 LEDs. All right, so Lucas, I don't know if you go to school or not, but if you're worried about getting roasted in school, just make sure you pull these out your pocket like this. Maybe nobody won't know. All right, but if you got those eagle-eyed roasters and they see those 4 LEDs on the front, you're going to get flamed up. All right, so let's take them out and see what's what. Now, I just took these out. Check this out. I just took these out, and it immediately started pairing up to my iPhone. I like that feature. Okay. Here's the actual earbuds. Let's take a look at the TW1s. Took these out. Nothing happened on my phone. All right, so let me make sure I don't mix these up. Now, basically, they look identical. Both of them have the right branding on it. Same sensors. Okay, now look-wise, Lucas, check this out. Look-wise, you could drop these in your ear. You could definitely get away with these because nobody can tell the difference when you slap these in your ears. Now, I don't know if that's your main reason for buying these or if you actually care about sound quality. I'm going to test them out too. All right, so let me drop these back in the case. Let's see, LED in the case. Okay, these slide right in. They stay in place. Let's try the TW1s. Okay, same LED on the front. These slide. Oh, I'm saying, I thought it was LED. Oh, it is LED. But you got your LED charge on the front. And just in case you don't believe me, you see the wireless charger? Look for the blue lights. It wirelessly charges. Now let's try that with the AirPods. Let's try this little charging case. Okay, that slaps right on. Okay, this charges up. Now with the AirPods wireless charge case, you got to charge these face down. You see the blue lights? Let's wait for them to turn off. There's your blue lights. So you can wirelessly charge your AirPods. No big deal. You just need a little accessory. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. Let me pair these up, and then we'll do the sound test, and we'll check the voice call quality. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so let's see how long these take to pair up and then reconnect. We'll start with the i10s. Open them up, go to settings, we go to Bluetooth. Take these out of the case. Okay, i10s just popped up. There's your connection. Let's go over to music. You hear it for yourself? Music is playing. All right, so I'm going to pause these. You see i10 on the bottom. Let's put them back in the case. Okay, you see it disconnected? Now let's see how long it takes to reconnect. So I'm going to take them out. Just connected again. That was pretty fast. All right, I'm impressed for 40 bucks. Now let's try the AirPods. Open up the case. Okay, there's your AirPods. Let me put them in my ears. Okay, heard a little sound. AirPods are connected. Let's take it over to some music. Got some Public Enemy. Okay, music is playing. Let's hit pause. I'm going to put these back in the case now. You see on the bottom. Just disconnected. Let's take them back out again. Immediate connections. Put them back in my ears. Okay, take it over to the music. Still connected. So, for the connections, you got to give it to the AirPods. All right, so here we go. I got the i10s in. Let's do a little sound test. I got some J. Cole workout queued up. Max volume. Here we go. One tap, play, and pause. Don't know if I'ma see you again. Okay, they sound all right. But girl, I can't be your man. I know it's on your brain. You're probably hoping that it would end. Let's go. Niggas a real thing. This is just a one night stand. High and go low. I want to see you drop that thing down to the floor. All right. One tap, play, and pause. All right. Now, how do these sound? They sound okay. They sound okay. Now let's test out the AirPods and see if there's any difference. All right, so now I got the AirPods in. Same song. Let's go. Double tap, play, and pause. All right, here we go. Good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No, man. No, it's on your brain. You're probably hoping that it would end. Let's go. Is this a real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Want me to work on. All right. And go low. All right. All right. Now, I got to be 100% honest with y'all. This is the first time y'all ever going to hear me say this on my channel, but the AirPods sound better. Not by much, but they do sound better. All right. Now, let me play a couple of different songs and do a few more tests. All right, so now let's check the call quality with the TW1s. Got the 24-hour diner queued up. Okay, here we go. Let's get max volume. Okay, ringing out of both ears. Yes, hi. You guys 24 hours, right? Okay, do you deliver to Jamaica, Queens? What time does delivery start? Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye. Okay. Honestly, call quality sounds pretty good. plays out of both ears. Not complaining about that. All right, so if you're buying these to talk on the phone, they are comfortable and you're going to get sound out of both ears. Let's take it over to the Airpods. All right, so now let's check the Airpods. Got another 24-hour dyno. Let's see what it is. Let's get max volume. Okay, definitely louder, ringing out of both ears. Yes, hi, are you guys 24 hours? Do you deliver to Jamaica, Queens? Okay, no deliveries at all, or just not to Jamaica? Oh, okay, sounds good. All right, thank you so much. All right. Okay. Now, I'm speaking from experience. This is the only reason I use AirPods for. The call quality is superior. All right, it was definitely louder, no static at all, crystal clear. I don't have to raise my voice at all. This is the main reason that I use AirPods for talking on the phone, and these are amazing. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, I'm going to start off with the TWS. I'm not going to put the headphones by the mic. I'm just going to listen. Okay, there's definitely a noticeable lag. It's not bad, but it's a little teeny bit of lag. Little teeny bit of lag. Not bad, though. Now let me try the AirPods. All right, so now I'm going to do the same test with the AirPods. I'm looking for lip sync delay. Now this is amazing. Literally no lag at all. It's perfectly in sync. This is how you want to watch videos. No lag at all. That's a go. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud at a time? Let's start with the i10s. Okay, so I got the music playing. I'm going to take out the right side. The left side is still playing. Let's put it in the case. Still playing. All right, so I'm going to put the right side back in. Okay, music is playing out of both ears. Now I'm going to take out the left side. The right side is still playing. Put it in the case. And it shuts off. So if you want to play music out of one earbud at a time, it has to be the right side. Or if you want to use the left, just don't put it in the case. Let's take it over to the AirPods. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test using the AirPods. All right, so the music is playing. I'm going to take out the right side. Let's drop it in the case. Hit play. The left side is still playing. Okay, I'm going to put the right one back in. Now I'm going to take out the left side, drop it in the case, hit play. The right side is playing. So that's one of the dope features about the AirPods. You can play music out of either side while the other one is still charging up. All right, so overall, Lucas, you asked for my opinion. Here it is. If it was me and my money, I would get the AirPods. Now look, you do have some benefits with the i10s. You will save $100. You get wireless charge. You got USB Type-C charging. And it works with Android or iOS devices. But with the AirPods, the case has a better build quality. You got a longer lasting battery. You get fast charge for the battery. Way better call quality. You can play music out of either ear while the other one is charging. So that's all day music. You got zero lag latency for when you're watching your videos. But most importantly, the sound. The sound quality on the AirPods is way better. All right, so I hope I answered your question, Lucas. Go with the AirPods. But if you're buying these for a little kid, this is for everybody else. If you're buying these for a little kid, get the i10s, save some money. Now, shout out to my daughter. I'm speaking from experience. She already lost 3 pair of these. This is my 4th pair. These ain't even for me. I'm about to hand these right over to her. I don't use these. So if you're buying them for a little kid that keeps losing them and they don't care, get the i10s. But my daughter's in high school. She will get roasted if she shows up with these. Plus, she gets straight A's, so I don't got no problems buying these over and over. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I'll see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Extreme gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.